Hello, wonderful women, and welcome to our channel. Have you ever found yourself dreading bedtime, knowing you'll probably be up for multiple bathroom trips before the sun even thinks about rising? Waking up frequently to go to the bathroom at night, what doctors call nocturia, can be incredibly frustrating and truly steal your precious sleep, whether you're in your 20s or your 80s. While it's always important to chat with your doctor about persistent nocturia, what you eat can play a surprisingly big role. Today, I'm diving into the top 3 best vegetables to help eliminate frequent urination at night, focusing on bladder-friendly choices that can make a real difference. If you're ready to explore simple ways to get a more restful night's sleep, please give this video a big thumbs up by liking it right now. It truly helps us reach more women who are struggling with this common issue. And for more empowering health tips and solutions tailored just for you, don't wait. Hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. Alright, let's get right into these powerhouse veggies that can help your bladder calm down and let you sleep. First up, our incredible leafy greens. Think vibrant kale, crisp lettuce, and smooth spinach. These aren't just packed with vitamins and goodness for your whole body. They're also super gentle on your bladder because they're generally non-acidic. Plus, they're loaded with fiber. Why does that matter? Well, healthy digestion and regular bowel movements mean less pressure on your bladder, which can directly help with those nighttime urges. Imagine effortlessly adding a handful to your morning smoothie, making a big fresh salad for lunch, or simply steaming them as a quick, healthy side dish. So easy, so effective. Next, let's talk about the humble cucumber. These refreshing veggies are incredibly high in water, making them fantastic for hydration. But here's the key. They are wonderfully mild and non-acidic, which means they hydrate you without irritating your bladder like some other watery foods or certain drinks might. They help your body stay hydrated throughout the day without overwhelming your bladder right before bed. Keep it simple. Slice them into your plain water for a refreshing twist, add them to your salads for extra crunch, or just enjoy them as a cool, hydrating snack anytime. And finally, our cozy champion winter squash. Varieties like butternut, acorn, and spaghetti squash are not only incredibly versatile and delicious, but they are also wonderfully non-acidic and rich in nutrients like vitamins A and C, plus more helpful fiber. Their gentle nature is a dream for your bladder, and that fiber content continues to support good digestion, taking pressure off your urinary system. They also bring anti-inflammatory goodness to the table. Imagine roasting them with a touch of olive oil and herbs, mashing up some creamy butternut squash, or using spaghetti squash as a lighter, bladder-friendly base for your favorite sauces. Delicious and supportive. So, there you have it, ladies. 3 incredible vegetables that can be a game changer in your journey towards more peaceful nights. Remember, simple dietary tweaks can truly contribute to your comfort and well-being. By choosing these bladder-friendly options, you're taking proactive steps to reclaim your sleep and live life to the fullest. Now, if these tips have given you hope for better nights, please show us some love by hitting that thumbs up button right now. Liking this video tells us we're on the right track and helps us create more content you'll find truly helpful. And if you're not already part of our community, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with practical advice and empowering insights for women's health and wellness. I truly appreciate you watching, and I'm here to support you on your journey to feeling your best. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.